This is a filtration apparatus, and it's used to separate mixtures based on particle size. So for example, if we have this mixture here of solid sand and liquid water, the sand can get caught on the filter paper and the water will wash right through. We also could have a solution where something is dissolved in the water, and whatever is dissolved along with the water will pass right through, leaving the solid on the filter paper. As you can see, we have a ring stand with a ring clamp. Beneath the funnel is something to catch the filtrate. It could be a beaker, it could be an evaporation dish, and the funnel should be resting here on the ring clamp. If the ring clamp is a little bit too big for the funnel, you could always use a clay or ceramic triangle to support the funnel. What we'll do next is we will start the filtration process. So I first need a piece of filter paper, which I'm going to fold in half and then in half again. So I make a quarter circle and I open it up so that we have this cylindrical shape, and that can go right in here. And what we want to do is next kick up all the solid in this by swirling it around, because we want to transfer all the liquid onto the filter paper. And so we quickly dump it over. And what you'll notice is that not all the solid went away. In fact, a lot of it is still there. So it's fine to keep on adding some more water, and in multiple trials, dump all the solid on. What we don't want to do is simply pour off the water. That's called decanting. That can work if there's nothing dissolved in the water, but if there is something dissolved in the water, then maybe it dries out, and of course you get the water to go away from here in the beaker, but if there's anything dissolved, that won't go away. In this case, where we actually filter it, we will fully separate the solid from the liquid and anything dissolved in it. And you also want to make sure that the water doesn't get too high, that the water level is not going above, of course, the top of your filter paper. But if you do this a few more times, we'll get all of the liquid and solid transferred. Now, this might take a little while, but eventually it's going to stop dripping. And at that point, if there was anything dissolved in the liquid, we do want to rinse twice more with a small amount of water, just to make sure that any of that dissolved substance washes away into the filtrate and is no longer on the filtered out solid.